Have you ever seen an image mask fully? Yesterday we talked about masking to pop out. Now this is full masking. Have you ever seen an image in a full mask like this before? Yeah, this is how to do it. Let's get started on for Pixellab. And you guys that have not submitted my assignment, I'm still using this one here to look at you. So let's get started on Pixellab. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we open our Pixellab. So after looking at Pixellab, I wanted to the way I used to do my things. I create a shape as a background. I don't like just using background. So I create a shape as a background. Then I increase the size and I lock it. So now this shape, I'm going to be giving it black color. I'm going to be giving it black. So let me give it color. Go to color and change it to black. So I'm going to lock it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to bring in a circle. So I'll go to our shape tool again and change it to circle. So after I change it to circle, I'm going to bring in the object. The object we want to mask, which is food. So I bring in the food I want to mask. So the food is going to be on the so after the food is on the circle, remember our last method. Remember our last method. We go to this place, we go to the layer, we click on the circle and we duplicate the circle. So and we give the circle another color. Let's give it red. No, there's red on the flyer. Let's give it purple. Okay. We toggle off the eye so that the image can be invisible, so that we can set our circle. So after we set the circle, you see that it's not in perfect shape. So if it's not in perfect shape, I go to position and I use position to make it okay. It's perfect now. So the next thing, I'm going to toggle on this and I'm going to create a rectangle again. Edit. No. So I'm going to create a rectangle again, and the rectangle will overfill the image. So I'm going to give the rectangle color, and the color will be, let me use sky blue. Okay. So now, according to what we did yesterday, we'll click this. The circle is supposed to be at the top of the blue. So you click on the circle under the layers and go to front, take it to the front. So go to your layers again, click on the selection, the selection icon under your layers, select the two, the rectangle and the circle, select them. When you select them, merge them together. After you've merged them together, then you go to the eyedropper and you will remove the purple. So you see it's masked already, but it's not fully masked. So the next thing we're going to be doing, we go to our layers again and we click on the selection tool under our layers. We select the masked one and the image and we merge them together. So after we have merged them together, then we go to our erase color, enable our erase color, pick our eyedropper and erase the blue. So now you see that we have our image mask already. So we now go to this place, the layer tool, and click on our sample below and go to stroke and give it a stroke and increase the stroke width. We increase the stroke width, So now we have the perfect image. You see now we have the full image masking now. So this is your assignment. Yesterday I told you to mask the previous video. Now mask this one, so screenshot it and send it to me. I want you to know all these basics because if we rush ourselves to move into the real design, we might ignore the basics, and if we ignore the basics, it's going to cause issue that we need to start asking more questions because we don't understand. So take your time to do this and don't forget to submit it. Failure to submit it, you are getting eliminated.